So guys, welcome to part 2 of the vlog on the return journey from Belfast to Manchester. Hope you enjoyed the first one. If not, I'll link it at the end of the video so you can watch the first one if you've missed it. But yeah, let's see if we can get a lovely smooth flight home, as smooth as it was on the way there. So, hope you enjoy this vlog, and I will speak to you once I've got through security. And I'm sitting and having another coffee. Hi Chief, just that please. So, yeah, all through, no problems. Really pleasant security here at Belfast. Just a quick look as you walk through. So that's like a little bar area as you walk through. Obviously you got Burger King there, WH Smith, Boots, all the usual stuff you get at the airport. Oh yeah. And obviously your standard duty free. So I'm gonna go through duty free. I'm gonna go through Starbucks, go to Starbucks, get a coffee, sit down, do some more work. I'll give you some flight information on the aircraft and that, and what time we depart. So I will catch you at Starbucks in a bit, guys. Guys, I'm at Starbucks now. Thought I'd get myself a treat. I've got myself a caramel latte, which there it is. Nice caramel latte for myself. You got some great views. I couldn't get a window seat, but you've got some great views of the airfield at this Starbucks. So if you can get one of them seats, I highly recommend it, because you'll get some great views of the aircraft. As I said, pretty painless getting through. Everyone was really pleasant. Everyone's been really pleasant here, to be fair. There's not been any you do get it at Manchester. They're a little bit grumpy and miserable, but here they're just all nice and pleasant, and it's such a small airport as well, and it's absolutely amazing. I've just realised sorry, I was distracted there a second. The EasyJet in front of me is the EasyJet whole delivery one. A bit gutted now I'm not sat by the window. I've missed out there now, but yeah. So flight today should be leaving at 3:25, but it's actually delayed, so it's saying it's going to leave now at 20 minutes later, about 3:45 now. So the plane we're going on is an A320-200 again, but this one's a little bit older. It's 8 years old, so it'd be nice to see a little bit of just a couple of years difference what there is on the plane. There shouldn't be any, to be fair. You can see EasyJet clean. The planes are cleaned really well. There was no evidence that they weren't cleaned at all, or cleaned badly, like on some planes. But yeah, as I said, just sat here now, chilling, waiting to get on the next plane out of here. So I'm going to enjoy my coffee, and I'm going to just chill out for a bit. But I just wanted to show you quickly, I managed to get a window seat at Starbucks now, so I just wanted to show you what it was like quickly. So there you go. So it's great views of the airfield. Absolute great views. So if you can get one of these seats when you get here, I highly recommend getting one. So, because as I say, at least it'll, especially on a nice day like this, you'll get some good views of the aircraft taking off and landing. But, next time you will definitely next see me, it will be when I'm boarding the plane. So I'll take it easy.
Thank you. You should drop an email.
So we're boarding at the rear of the aircraft today for a change, because I've picked a rearward seat. Right, yeah, you. Thank you. Hi mate, can I just get in there please? Cheers buddy. Thank you very much. So guys, on board now. off around about past. So not too bad, it's 35-minute flight. So we should be on the ground between 5 past 10 past 4, which isn't too bad. So I might still make it on the car park on time without getting charged. It's not too bad. So yeah, it's glorious weather outside, as you can see from the takeoff. Absolutely glorious outside. Excuse me a second. So cabin crew are just coming through now doing drinks and food service. Comes out to quickly because obviously it being such a short flight. Oh yeah. Didn't mess about. Quick as that plane was in, everyone was off and they were trying to get us boarded pretty much as they got off, so just trying to make that time that I think they've lost today, so yeah. So I'm going to get back to the flight and I will speak to you on the ground in Manchester, so take it easy guys. Enjoy the flight.
Anything else? Welcome to Manchester. It's 4:10.
See you now, see you now, thanks for that. Just missed it. Oh, it's back in Manchester now, guys. Yeah, 35-minute flight. We were stuck on the plane for a bit because we had to wait for the buses. But apart from that, yeah, and then we had a bit of a delay getting off the bus. So it's like a bit bumpy coming in. You can see from that from the footage, like, but really, but you see, say it was going to be windy coming in. So, yep. So let's get to the car. Overall, cabin crew, staff both ways, absolutely friendly. Even though they were rushing us on, they were friendly, so I couldn't fault them. But yeah, hope you enjoyed the video, guys. It's been a long day. If you did enjoy it, please drop a like and a subscribe. It means a lot. So yeah, I'm gonna sign off here, get in the car and get home and have a brew. See you later.